In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the key differences between Wells Fargo and SoFi Bank to help determine which might be the better fit for your banking needs. As you know, choosing the right bank is a significant decision that can impact your financial health. So let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to start by going to a dedicated comparison of Wells Fargo versus SoFi. This will be your initial step to getting a comprehensive understanding of both banks' offerings. You can often find these comparisons on financial websites or through consumer finance guides online. As you access this information, remember, you're looking for how each institution stacks up in terms of services, customer satisfaction, and the overall banking experience. Now, using this comparison tool, look specifically for titles like How to Wells Fargo v SoFi Bank, which is better. This particular section should provide a clearer view or an introductory guide that frames what you'll be evaluating. At this juncture, pay attention to the summaries or highlights that introduce the key points of comparison. These will help you focus on the aspects that matter most to your personal banking experience. Next, you'll want to click on sections discussing the specifics, such as what makes one bank better over the other depending on your specific needs. Factors like whether you prefer physical branches, are concerned about fees, prioritize interest rates, or require certain services will all come into play. The comparison should break down different criteria, allowing you to see how Wells Fargo and SoFi Bank differ in these key areas. You may find that one bank offers lower fees or higher interest rates, while the other excels in providing more robust customer service support or a widespread network of branches. To get the most out of this comparison, think about your personal banking habits and what features are non-negotiable for you. For instance, if having access to physical branches with in-person services is essential, Wells Fargo might appeal more due to its extensive brick-and-mortar presence. On the other hand, if you're tech-savvy and appreciate seamless digital banking, SoFi's online-centric approach could be more aligned with your preferences. Finally, ensure you absorb the overall comparison's conclusion, advising which bank could serve you better, depending on your lifestyle and banking needs. These comparisons often synthesize the strengths and weaknesses of both banks, providing a balanced view that helps make an informed decision. Keep in mind that the right choice heavily relies on your individual priorities, be it convenience, cost saving, or advanced digital services. Armed with this understanding, you'll be better prepared to choose the bank that offers the best fit for what you truly need. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these insights guide you toward making the best decision for your banking journey.